You've just done a little bit of learning on what a polyatomic ion is, and this is just going to be a brief video to give you a way to help remember some of the really common ones. The first two, I don't really have a way to help you memorize them, but they are extremely common. You'll see here that we've got ammonium on the left side, and it's a positive ion or a cation. And it is probably the only common cation you will see this year. Okay, so you just need to remember NH4 has a charge of 1+, and it's called ammonium. And hydroxide is OH negative, so it is an anion. And this is also an extremely common one, especially when we get into talking about acids and bases. It's the polyatomic ions that end with ATE that are going to be the most common ones that we're going to use here. So there's a sentence or mnemonic that we have to help remember. Nick the camel ate a clam supper in Phoenix. And you'll notice that there are capital letters on the words that we're actually going to use. Nick the camel ate a clam supper in Phoenix. The number of consonants you see in each word tell you the number of oxygen atoms in that polyatomic ion, and the number of vowels tell you the value of the charge itself. So if we take the N, for example, N stands for Nick, but it also stands for nitrogen. That one goes with nitrate, and it will be N. And since it has 3 consonants, N, C, and K, it'll be NO3. And it has 1 vowel, I, so it must have a charge of -1. So NO3 negative is our nitrate. Carbonate comes from our camel. How many do we have? How many consonants? 1, 2, 3. So we have CO3, and there are 2 vowels. So the charge is 2-. Chlorate, ClM3 again. So ClO3 and 1 vowel, so ClO3 negative. Sulfate, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 consonants, so it's SO4, and the charge will be 2. And lastly, phosphate, which we use the word phoenix for. 1, 2, 3, 4 consonants, so PO4, and 1, 2, 3 vowels. The charge is 3-.